Okay, here a little bit about MindTap. Here we're getting to programming exercise 1-1. Let me show how we got here to this point. Basically, in any of the courses that are related to MindTap, in the first unit, we have the programming exercise. Of course, the one that is graded is 1-2. But if you want to check out 1-1, when you get to this point, you can discuss this later. Just click that X, and then we can go here to 1-1. That's how I got here. That's a practice one. Start assignment. Okay, so here, well, I have this code already here because I already did the coding, but basically what you will get is a comment. Comments are done in C# by doing / and then say write your code here. That's what they had. Now the purpose of comments is for the programmer to document what he or she is doing and explain a little bit how a portion of the program works. And usually, you know, we have two different types of comments, either the / one, which is actually a single line comment, or if you want to do a multiple line comment, then you will start with / and then the opposite */ but in this case I only have one line, so that's why originally I use // but let's go to the instructions. See, it says write, compile, and test a program name personal info that displays a person's name, birth date, work phone number, and cell phone number on separate lines. Follow the format, the sample below. I use the same data just to display that. You could put any name, you know, your name, it doesn't matter. So, yeah, but I use this because I just could, you know, copy and paste it, and it was easier for me. See, I don't like to type much. Now, the thing about this is that we have to indicate, okay, what do we have to do here? And basically, all we have to do here is to create output. And when we are using console in MindTap, in C#, one way to actually output something to the monitor is to use the method writeLine, which is written this way. Okay, if you write that in any other form, it will be incorrect. So for example, if I do writeLine with lowercase l, that's incorrect immediately right there. So now notice a little bit the structure. The structure is actually created for you. The only thing that I typed was this. So we had already the using a keyword, which is explained in the first chapter, static system.console. So if we didn't use this, you would have to write for every single line system.console.writeLine and then Lucinda Porter, and then the same thing here and the date, etc., etc. So to avoid to write that much, basically what you're saying is, okay, we are using this part of the say library that we have in C# that belongs into the system library, and by using that, since we have included that with a using keyword, we don't have to write that where the method is actually coming from anymore. So, and when we run it, displays this, and because we have write line, basically it will go to the next line. Now we have, besides write line, we have write too. In that case, it will not go to the next line, and we will display next line next to it. So that's the difference between write and write line. Okay, and now how do we use the MindTap system to actually to check if it's correct? Well, this part are the instructions, and then in this part you check the task. So you notice that I already checked my task. If I check that again, it will say, oh, okay, everything was perfect, so, and I can submit it. So every time that you get your points, submit them and then confirm. That's already now saved on the system. Okay, so this is a little bit of an introduction of what to do with MindTap.